I have a steel ball tied with a string. I hold the string in my hand and I let the steel ball hang from it. This is called a pendulum. Now what I do is I pull the steel ball to one side with the other hand and let it go. Observe this motion. We can say that the pendulum is in motion. Now this is an example of periodic motion, because in this case the object, that is a steel ball, it repeats its motion after some time. Even in the case of circular motion, when the steel ball was again tied with a string and we were whirling it around, you can see how this motion is repeated after some time. So it takes some time to complete one circle, then it takes the same amount of time to complete the second circle. So this motion is repeating itself. Circular motion can also be called a type of periodic motion. There are some other examples of periodic motion. For example, a branch of a tree moving to and fro, or motion of a child on a swing, or the strings of a guitar. These are all examples of periodic motion. Now there is a special case of periodic motion, that is when the object repeats its motion about a mean position. So in the case of a pendulum, when the steel ball was moving back and forth, you can see that there is a mean position that goes right through the center. In this case, the steel ball is moving on either side of its mean position. Now this type of motion is called oscillatory motion, or we can say that the ball is oscillating about a mean position. Similarly, the motion of a child swinging in a swing, the motion of this child is also about a mean position. Let's look at one more example. Let's take the example of a slinky, and I want you to observe the bottom end of this slinky. Notice how the bottom end is moving up and down. So in this case, again, we can say that it is undergoing an oscillatory motion because it's moving on either side of a mean position. It's going on either side of the mean position. So this is also oscillatory motion.